Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to request for more devices in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Evaluation Lab. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I am logging on to the portal. I'll go to my evaluation lab. I'll cancel it. This is my lab. One active device. "47 hours are left." And now if you see, I want to request for more devices. So when you click on the evaluation lab here and you click on devices and you click on the overview, so one place is that you can add a device from here. Like you click on add a device, you can select it. Or when you don't have any device, right, and you are under the overview section, you can click on the request for device options to add a new device, right? So when the request is then you choose your configuration, you submit the request, and when the request is submitted successfully, you will see a green confirmation banner and the date of last submission. So this is my it's only available for 72 hours. Depending on your monthly allotted resource consumption, you may be able to request for more devices. So when this is done, 47 hours, it's been 47 hours are left, right? So you see here, time left 47 hours, right? So when this will be completed, then you can request for more devices. And if you want to connect to it, then you just click on the option, you click on open file, and you remember at the beginning of when we were adding this device, we got an option to save the username and password, right? So it will bring up the RDP window, and I can add the password. I'll try to add the password, and it should connect to this test machine VM. Okay, it is connecting. All right, I am connected to that. Okay, it is asking for update. I'll see if I do that. Okay, so this is how you connect to the device in the evaluation lab, and you can request for more devices when your allotted devices are over, right? So in the next videos, we'll try to simulate the attack scenarios. We will also follow the do-it-yourself attack scenarios as well. So I hope you liked this video. This video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any doubts, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.